Hello boys and girls, Mohit Agarwal here. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I am also doing great. So this video is for CA students. But if you are having exam, if you are giving the exam, immediately switch off the video. It does not concern your exam. You can watch it later after your exams too. Okay. So for the remaining students, I've been getting few mails from the student that sir, institute has released a new code of conduct for the students also. The answer is no. The code of conduct for the students even existed in the past, even at the time when I was myself a student of ICI. Those code of conduct even existed in the past, and these code of conducts uh, have not been what should I say, have not been revamped or have not been totally amended. These are those code of conducts only which existed in the past. It's just that ICI is reminding about those code of conduct by bringing this announcement. Okay, no new changes have been made. It's just an announcement that the code of conduct of students also exists. Because lot of time what happens, हम लोग के curriculum में professional ethics तो है, members का code of conduct, CA practice का code of conduct तो हम लोग पढ़ करके जाते हैं, but code of conduct of student हमारे syllabus में नहीं है, but it is there in the regulations. But boys and girls, अगर हम लोग अपना opinion जो है वो रखते हैं, ठीक है, differ करते हैं कुछ बातों में और opinion रखते हैं, strongly opinion रखते हैं, but not using any vulgar words, not using any obscene words, because our parents have not taught that also to us. Yes, we may differ. Yes, we may be angry. Yes, we may get hurt, but we should never use the vulgar words and obscene techniques. Okay, so until unless you are doing that, you are fine. You are absolutely fine. There is no breach of regulation if you are voicing your opinion, if you are giving uh, proper words, using proper authenticated words. Even if you are differing, then there is no violation of the regulation. Okay, but it has to be done in a dignified manner. So this is the code of conduct. The institute is reminding the code of conduct for CA student is posted on the website. This is the link. I'm going to share it in the description box too. Students are advised to observe these in letter and spirit so as to maintain the highest standards of this esteemed profession. In case of any violation of the same by the students, disciplinary action will be taken against them. Okay, so nothing to panic about, and these are not new code of conduct. These are all already there. These were already there on the regulations of CA. These are the code of conduct which is there in the 3 pages. Whenever you have time or you want to know about your code of conduct, you can have a look at it. I am giving the link in the description box, but obviously not during the examination cycle at all. Okay, take care, bye bye. So why this video? Because a lot of students were mailing to me that code of conduct has arrived. Answer is no, no new code of conduct is there. It's just a reminder. Take care, bye bye.